Hi friends, welcome to Laxmails 31. I'm Sai Lakshmi. Hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to talk about write function in Tableau. Let's get started. Write function in Tableau returns the rightmost number of characters in the string. The example is right below. Write of metadata, comma 4 equal to data. So in my previous video, I have already explained about left function in Tableau. If you haven't watched my video yet, please check it out. I will provide the link in the description as well. And in the right function, let me explain the right function with the syntax first. So here, write of metadata. The syntax is nothing but in place of metadata, it is string and the number of characters equal to the substring. So the syntax, to summarize the syntax, write within the write function, we will be providing the string and the number of characters to be displayed, which returns the substring we require. So let me explain again with the example. In write function, now we have passed metadata, which is of 8 characters. And we have specified 4. That means we want only 4 characters from metadata string, which is of write. I mean, it will read the values from the ending. So that you will get last 4 characters from the string. So EAT, EAD. These are the last 4 characters. So these 4 characters which we got in terms of a string which is nothing but data, DATA. So these are the last 4 characters of the string provided, which is nothing but metadata. That's why we got the substring data. Let me open Tableau desktop application and explain how to use write function in Tableau and how we can find it and use it in our workbooks. I have opened Tableau desktop application and I have taken sample superstore data and I have created a new sheet and renamed it as write function in Tableau. And right below the data pane under the data source, we have a drop down option available. I'm clicking on that and I am clicking on the create calculated field option to create the calculated field, because within the calculated field window we'll be able to find the right function. So we have all functions displayed over here and I am switching to string function because write is one among the string functions in Tableau. So I have clicked on string function and we have list of string functions readily available. We'll be able to find it easily by scrolling up and down. So let's find out right by searching over here. Directly you can find this function directly by searching out here. If not, you can cross it out and scroll down and find the right function by scrolling up and down. So here we have the right function readily available. I'm clicking on that. So as soon as you click on the right function, you will be able to see the syntax first. Like I said, within right function, you will be first passing the string and the number of characters to be returned. So that's what the syntax says. And there is a description right below the syntax. Returns the specified number of characters from the end of the given string. So it will consider the number of characters from the end, not from the beginning. So in left function, it will consider the characters from the beginning. In right function, it will consider the characters from the ending. So the example is right below. Right of calculation, comma 4 is nothing but TION. So the last 4 characters of calculation string is nothing but TION. That's why we got the substring TION. So I am renaming the calculation as right test. Within the calculation, I am writing right. As soon as I type RAGH, so I can see the function readily popped up over here. I can click on that and I have clicked on it, RAGHT, right function. Within that, I am passing a word Tableau, TABLEU, and I am providing the string, I mean number of characters to be displayed. We should provide some name, right? So I have provided 4. So that means I should be getting last 4 characters from Tableau. So I have provided, and I mean the calculation is ready. I'm clicking on OK and bringing the calculation to text. Let's see what it's returning for us. So like I said, it should be returning LEAU. So it has returned the same for me. So let me remove this from the sheet and let's edit the calculation and do something else. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to bring subcategory column to row shelf, because subcategory dimension we have a manageable number of records, so that we can find the difference easily. I mean, we can check out what it's returning perfectly using the right function. So that's why I've taken subcategory, and I am editing the right test column now. I have edited it. Here we have passed a static value string, I mean static string tableau. So instead of a static string, I am going to pass a dynamic value. So which is nothing but subcategory. So when we are working on real-time scenarios, we won't be able to pass each and every value manually. So instead of that, if we pass a dimension or a column name, it will be easy for us to get the calculation performed on the entire dimension and get the data as required. So now I have passed a subcategory and I want last four characters to be displayed. So I'm clicking on OK and bringing the right text to text. So the last four characters of accessories is nothing but RAES. Art is art. So uh, art has three letters only. So from left side it is art only. From right side also it's art only. For appliances, it has last four values NCES. For binders, DERS. So likewise, for labels, BELS. For phones, ONES. So this is how you can pass a dimension or a string, or manually, dynamically, if you want to do something and get the last four characters of any particular string, you can use the right function and get the last four characters using the right function in Tableau.
Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Laxmails31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.